LDAP configuration. Hi and welcome to DFM. Today I'm going to walk you through the LDAP configuration process. To get started, navigate to the LDAP configuration tab, where you'll see all the required fields to be filled in. First, enter the LDAP URL and add your login DN, whichever login DN applies to your setup. Once that's done, enter your password and click Connect. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see a confirmation message stating connected with LDAP successfully. Click Continue to proceed. Next, we need to configure some additional fields. Enter the base DN, group DN, and user DN, and then set a unique name identifier. I'll set mine here. Similarly, you can define a group unique identifier. After that, specify a username identifier, which can either be a UID or any other name. I'll be using UID for this example. Then configure the filter X value and select the scope. I'm choosing substring for now. Once all these fields are set, click Continue to proceed. Now you'll see the LDAP group list, where you can assign DFM roles to the respective LDAP group roles. You can map any role to a specific LDAP group role as needed. If you need to create a new role, simply click and Add New Role button. Enter the role name and it will be added successfully. After that, you can assign appropriate mapping and save changes. Once this is done, you'll see a confirmation that LDAP users have been successfully configured. And that's it. Our LDAP configuration is complete.